conditioning unit, high efficiency air conditioning unit. I'm going to be replacing the capacitor to see if that's causing, or the fix to the problem, whereby when the air conditioner is cut on, the fan isn't blowing and it's producing a buzzing sound, and it cuts off after a certain amount of seconds. After my research, it appears that this is the problem. Now also, may run a test to see what contractors say if I put the old part back on, and see if they come out saying that the condenser is bad. So I really have a distrust for contractors, but hopefully there's some honest ones out there. So we'll see. So we'll see if this works with changing out the capacitor. This is the capacitor that I purchased from the local HVAC supply house, plumbing supply house, and because I work for a village, I was able to use, since I knew they had an account, because we also have housing units. We had an account with them, so I was able to get it. But otherwise, it's pretty difficult to get retail off the shelf. Now, you can probably be able to order it online without as much problem, but getting it locally when you really need it on demand, it's pretty tough. But so hopefully this will be the unit right here that will solve all problems. So this is, by the way, there was an OEM version, an Armstrong version, which was $29. This one was a one manufactured by Mars, and it was $18. So significant savings just in not going with the OEM brand. But from all accounts and from all testimonies from the supply house, same thing. I've peeled away the panel, and there is the capacitor sitting right there with the strap to secure it. So it's a matter of just discharging the unit by taking it and taking the prongs off without touching the terminals, and then I have the power out right now, so it's sitting up on top right there. So down below is where I have taken it out, so the power supply is gone. I need to discharge it and then take the terminals off, and then replace it with the terminals one by one. So yellow is on the bottom, and I have to match up the letters with the C, the fan, and some other one with the M. So hopefully all goes well. As you can see, there's a bunch of critters. I've never seen anything like this before. It's right up in here in this unit. Okay, I'm in the process of getting this removed. Release this strap here. Discharge the power. Here's my needle nose. C, we have Herm, and we have Fan. So that's what I'm matching up. So C is red. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the red right now on the C, so I can get it right. For a little close-up of what I've done. So now I'm going to strap it up right here with this strap. 1 bolt is all it takes. put all the screws in. I'm gonna not labor you with all that, those details there. Okay, now that it's all bolted up, all nicely. So now I'm going to connect the power to the unit. So now we have insert the power to the unit. I have it off in the house, so stick it in there. Real good. Get a good close up of that. So that's how it goes, and hopefully we'll have the fan running. Voila. There was the capacitor. Fans running now. So the only tools I needed was a ratchet set. I used a 6.5 millimeter to get the smaller nuts off, and an 8 millimeter to get the larger nuts that connects the cage, and flathead screwdriver just to get the strap off the capacitor. Needle nose pliers in order to take this, to help me get the leads off, as well as discharging the unit by touching all the terminals with the wires on it before I took off the other one. That discharged it. So, and then the unit there, the electrical power. So that's all that's needed. So there we have. So now we have a fully functional air conditioning unit for $18 of cost, and a little bit of will and intensity and confidence, and anybody can do it. I'm a CPA. I'm not an engineer. I'm not a mechanical contractor or HVAC contractor, but this is something you can do. And what I did was troubleshoot on Google to see what the problem was, and took it from there and found out that the problem with the buzzing, because I heard the buzzing sound, and it showed me that it had power. And so now we're all set with, as opposed to warm air going through from the furnace, we have cold air now.